In this video, I'd like to solve a mixture problem using a system of linear equations, and hopefully by the end of the problem it'll be clear why a system of linear equations works nicely for these types of problems. In this problem, we want to take a lemonade that's 5% sugar and blend it with a lemonade that's 8% sugar in order to get 6 liters of a lemonade that is 7% sugar. And the question's asking how much of each type is needed. So there are two unknowns here. Let's come up with some variables. Let's let x be the number of liters of the 5% sugar lemonade. And let's let y be the number of liters of the 8% sugar lemonade. Okay. And with these two unknowns, this question presents us with two equations. Right. On the one hand, we want to get a total of 6 liters in our final batch of lemonade. So the number of liters of the 5% plus the number of the liters of the 8% has to be equal to 6. Okay. And we also want a final batch of lemonade that's 7% sugar. So the amount of sugar in that final batch from the 5% sugar lemonade plus the amount of sugar from the 8% sugar lemonade has to equal the total amount of sugar in that final batch. And the total amount of sugar in the final batch is going to be 7% times 6 liters. So this equation will simplify to 0.05x plus 0.08y equal to 0.42. I would like to use these two equations in the system that I want to solve. So we have x plus y is equal to 6, 0.05x plus 0.08y equal to 0.42, and this system is easy enough to solve using either substitution or the elimination method. Let's go ahead and use substitution. So I want to solve one of these equations for one of the unknowns. I think it's easiest to work with the first one. Let's just go ahead and solve that for x. And x is equal to 6 minus y. So now that I solved for x, I want to substitute this expression into the second equation. Giving me a linear equation with one unknown. Distribute the 0.05. We get 0.30 minus 0.05y plus 0.08y equal to 0.42. Combine like terms. And then subtract 0.3 and divide. So we're going to get that y is equal to 4. We substitute this into either of these equations to figure out x. Clearly from the first equation, x is equal to 2. So to answer our question, we need 2 liters of the 5% sugar lemonade and 4 liters of the 8% sugar lemonade. And when we mix those two quantities together, we get 6 liters of lemonade that is 7% sugar.